24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Money. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say, Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Let us start with the concept of money. Focus on learning by doing as students learn more when they are involved in the task assigned to them. Learning objectives. Students should be able to understand the exchange value of coins or notes. Learn the names of coins or notes. Money is the medium of exchange for goods and services. Different coins and paper money have different values. It is important for the children to recognize the names and values of different coins and bills used in exchange for goods and services. Assists children in identifying the names of coins and notes and grasp their relative values in terms of purchasing power. Inform the students that they will be learning about money. To move forward, follow these steps. 1. Explain the importance of money through real-world examples. For example, visiting a store to buy something. 2. Explain the importance of value and paying the correct amount for an item. 3. Explain the value of saving for the desired items. 4. Count by denomination. Small visual quiz on money. Give the students a moment to hold and feel various real amounts of money. 6. Divide the students in groups of 2s. 7. One student has the money and the other has an item with the assigned value or price tag. 8. The student with the money needs to purchase the other item with accuracy. 9. The teacher will monitor and assist when needed. Play a game following these steps. 1. Young children need help to understand the actual value of each coin or note. 2. Begin with lower denomination coins and notes. 3. Have a supply of crackers, short sticks, or similar items. 4. Give each child a 50 rupee note or 5 10 rupee notes. Use play money if you prefer. 5. Tell the students that each animal cracker costs 10 rupees. 6. Sell them crackers in exchange for 5 10 rupees or 150 rupees note. 7. Discuss with the students that 5 10 rupee notes buy the same amount as 150 rupee note. 8. Repeat the game again with another coin or note denomination and play it often. Ask them to open their textbooks and identify notes or coins. Reinforcement worksheet for the concept of money can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.